We're in the process of moving, and it is currently 95 degrees. But folks, I have an unboxing video for you today from Everyplate. It is a convenient meal service. It's right down there. Just came to my door through FedEx, and I thought I would do an unboxing for you just to show you what Everyplate has, what I got for this week for my meals. And yeah, if you want to try it, there's a coupon code in the description box below. You can get your first box for just $18 if you use the link below. So go ahead and check that out, and let's see what's in the box. Okay, the first thing you're going to see when you open your Everyplate box is your recipe descriptions as well as your nutrition facts. Let's see what I got this week. Herb chicken cutlets. 1-pan beef tacos, the sausage and bell pepper pasta. Those are my 3 dishes for this week. I've got all the nutritional information right here. They lay out all the nutritional information so that you can know exactly what ingredients go in there in case you have somebody who's allergic to something, or if you're counting your calories and you want to cook at home, this is a great way to do it. Everything is packaged in this material. It is sort of like an insulated material inside plastic, and everything can be recycled. So this can come apart and go right into the recycling. And in here I've got all my fresh ingredients. Right on top I've got my seasoning packet. This is what they do. They always put all the seasonings together in one packet. Everything is labeled and individually portioned out for your recipes, so there's no waste there. Colavita crushed tomatoes. These are Italian tomatoes, non-GMO. That's a great thing. I've got my cheese. Here's an onion. All the produce is always nice and firm. Here is a green bell pepper for one of my recipes. A red onion. Pasta for the sausage pasta. This is breadcrumbs for something. Tortillas, and it says right here, contains wheat. Shredded cheese for the tacos. I love how everything's portioned out. But wait, there's more. And the more is that they put another ice pack in here. Oh, here's a lime. They put another ice pack in here so that the meat goes underneath the ice pack. And the ice packs are not gel, they're water, so they can actually be cut open, dumped out, and then recycle the plastic. More vegetables, got a pepper, potatoes. This is a zucchini and another jalapeno. Tomato, potato, potato, tomato, potato. This is a very firm plum tomato. That makes me really happy that the produce is so fresh from Everyplate. Garlic and potato. And then I've got my meats. I've got Italian sausage, ground beef, and the chicken cutlets. That's everything. So this is everything that came in my Everyplate box this week to make my 3 dishes: the sausage bell pepper pasta, the chicken cutlets, and the beef tacos. So that's everything right there. It's so nice to have it just delivered to the door, and then I can go ahead and recycle all these materials that are sent. I'm not going to be overeating or overcooking. Everything's pre-portioned, which is really, really nice for someone like me who lives in the city and doesn't want to be going to the grocery store and is on a budget, and somebody who likes to see the calorie counts and portion things out correctly. So this is great for me. I love trying meal kits, so if you want to recommend one for me to try, let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to try Everyplate, I will be doing a giveaway very soon as we finish moving. But I will be doing a giveaway for Everyplate, so make sure you subscribe, and if you want to try it on your own, go ahead and use the link in the description box to get your first box for just 18 bucks. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.